Let's go ahead and build our first persona now. You can click here from the dashboard where it says create your first persona. Alternately, you can go to market and then personas. In the left-hand column, you'll be able to click where it says add new persona. And then in this field here, we'll just type in the persona we're looking to define. So let's say real estate agent is what we want to do. Hit enter to save. And there we go. We can go in and actually change what this guy looks like. So let's say this is our agent. And then we also want to go ahead and define the ICP that this persona is related to. So in the last tutorial I did on ICPs, we created this micro, medium, local realty. Those were the commercial real estate agents. And so I selected that there. Now we can go in and add things such as influencers, interests, channels, demographics, notes, and ask. So influencers would be things like pains, buying factors, motivations, responsibilities, and then what are the other things that influence this persona. So we can actually click here, research pains to get started to identify these different pains. This helps us really define the persona. And so while we do this, Andy, our handy AI assistant, is going to work. And you'll notice a bunch will be populated. So these are the pains that AI has determined that real estate agents face. So finding qualified leads, sure, that one sounds good. Understanding market trends, sure. Negotiating deals. And you might want to select all of them. You might want to select just a few. So I'll add a few more. And then you can always add a custom factor. So we hit that and then say maintaining a good network of contractors. And you can add in any other custom factors that you want. These are just the ones we've identified from AI. From there, we can go and add additional factors. So we did pains. Now we can do buying factors. And again, AI Andy will go to work. All right, so buying factors. What are those factors that cause real estate agents to make buying decisions? So cost efficiency, ease of use, customer support, product features, so on and so forth. So again, we can select ones from what is in here. Otherwise, we can always add in custom factors, and those would show up underneath buying factors here. You can continue down the path to do this for additional motivations. So we can find motivations. Let's look for motivations for real estate agents. And I'm going to select the ones that I like best. Close. Responsibilities. Let's research real estate agent responsibilities. Property evaluation, market research, client acquisition. All right. And then the last one, research influencers. So commercial real estate brokers, commercial real estate developers, property managers, real estate attorneys, mortgage lenders. Yep, I agree. These all look good. So we can select all the ones that we want. Hit close. And at this point, you'll have a pretty well built out persona. Additionally, beyond that, we can go in here to interests, and then we can add things like trends, software, solutions. These are all things that would be of interest to this agent. So let's do trends. AI is going to go to work. We can always add in any trends that we're personally aware of. Adoption of prop tech, remote work, sustainable and green buildings, decline of retail spaces, rise of e-commerce, right? Very interesting. So add those. Let's go for additional research software. Okay, so a number of different software platforms that are probably pretty commonly used for this persona. So we can look at this and add the ones that make sense. If there are ones you want to add custom, you can certainly do that. And then our last one in this section under interests would be solutions. These would be other solutions related to this persona. Okay, and so you'll see a number of different things here. Services that real estate agent might be looking for. From here, we'll then move into channels. And these are our research channels, or we can do research of channels, and then we can do research of sources. Okay, so over 90% of real estate agents are on LinkedIn, Facebook, 80% of real estate agents are there, email marketing, conferences and events. So you're going to get your suggestions of where the best place to find those real estate agents, those channels where they spend their time. And then we'll also do sources. So these are some sources for real estate agents. So National Association of Realtors website, again, these are going to be specific and unique to this persona. And so you can add these in. Add a few of them and then close. All right, we'll move into demographics. We can research demographics here. Same thing, just like all the others, we can always add in custom, any information that we have related to demographics. And if enter in the ones that we think are most accurate, most meaningful. Okay, and hit close. Again, if I wanted to add a custom factor, I can do that in this section as well. Okay, and then there are additional factors that we can look at: background, personality, environment. We can always add custom factors. There is a section here for notes. So you have the ability to go in here and just type in notes. Again, this could be additional information. Perhaps you have some information stored already that you want to compile and add here. You can make these either shared or private just by toggling between these two buttons. And then the last option here is we could ask a question to this persona and AI Andy will give you an answer. So describe what your ideal client looks like to you. So I'm asking this real estate agent about their ideal client. And these are things that would be asked in a sales meeting, in a demo, so on and so forth. So it gives you the answer there. It helps you understand from that perspective of what this persona is looking for. And so that is how you create a persona.